So a problem that I had in the past, and I know for a fact that many people have now, is that they try to help everyone. Every person that they see is hurt. They need a help. And I say it's a problem more so when the person that is trying to help somebody gets offended when that person in need doesn't want their help. I've seen too many times where someone has been offended simply because won't let them help. And what people need to understand is that those people that don't want help, either one, are too scared, or two, they want to fix it themselves. They have a lot of pride or something that they want to have the self-accomplished feeling, the satisfaction of being able to conquer something on their own. I myself have this problem. A problem that I don't want people's help most of the time. I want to do this by myself. Mainly because I'm a guy. There are women out there too like that, but mainly because I'm a guy. It's mainly men. Just how we are. And something that I always tell people, again, contradicting myself here, but giving advice to somebody to not give advice. It's happened before. I've told people before that a bird with broken wings can't teach somebody else how to fly.